I've added a few things to the game. It's still far off from being complete and finished, but there is an AI functionality now wherein the black dog will patrol the area. It will look for the player, look for you, and if it finds you, it's gonna run close to you. I've decided I don't want the black dog to really attack you because it's supposed to just drain your sanity a little bit every time you look at him. Every time he's in your field of vision, your sanity is gonna start going. So I haven't really implemented that part yet, but I've gotten the AI to work already. So yeah, okay, let's just see it. Oh yeah, and also there's a main menu for the game now. And it's a live main menu, meaning it's a menu playing the game, the actual game. See the dog running there, black dog running off to the side. If I load it again, it's going to run in a different direction now. Yep. So that is essentially a copy of the game that's running in the main menu, or at least that level. I need to smoothen the animations out and all the turning and whatnot, but this is what I've done. Is actually, it's basically just a concept of the game and the first level of the game. Anyway, when I hit play, it should take me through the game proper, and it's still the same thing. Still need to find the flashlight battery. I've increased the time, or rather decreased the rate at which the battery drains, so it's not going to drain as fast as in fact that 50% battery I gave myself at the beginning of the game should be enough to last the entire going through the rooms of the house if I wanted to. Yeah, I need to fix the sound, but as you can see, the rooms are lit now. The lights have different rates of flickering. There's still a lot of things that needs to be fixed in the game, but at least it's running and functioning as I intended the first level to be. Yeah, I need to fix that. Oh no. So I ran out of batteries. Right, let's use it. I still haven't fixed the whole interaction with this, what's gonna be inside, but the idea is that inside these locked boxes will be items like memories for the player to think about, to see. There will be clues as to where the player will find the combinations for each boxes or locks. Yeah, there. I still haven't fixed this yet. No, let's go to the first floor now. I think I'm still crouched. Am I? Yeah, I'm crouched. And I can still sprint. apparition of the black dog. Let's get this battery. So essentially he's going to be solving parts of the memories here, reliving, not necessarily reliving, but seeing key elements of the memory or of the story here. First one. Now, alright, let's go out. And hopefully the black dog is not patrolling somewhere near me, otherwise the chase is going to be so quick. I still need to adjust the rate of the black dog's running speed. If he sees me here, oh shit, there he is. Run. Yeah, I'm sprint crouching. Yeah, this one is supposedly, ow, he saw me. There you go. Dog, he saw me. Yeah, I can't see it. I can't see if he left or not. He's supposed to leave. After he loses. There we go. He left. He actually left after he found the player. Found the player hid, and then he left. So there he is again. He found me again. Went inside. Should stay there for a good few seconds at least. He's gonna look around and see if we are still in the area, but given that we're not, since we're hidden, he can't really see us. He's gonna go, and there he goes again. There we go. Ah, no. Hello, Sirius. I actually have a black dog that looks like him, except for the red eyes. So he's gonna keep following me around. So in the game mechanic that I wanted to implement at this point, I'd be crazy. He's gonna stop there. AI is not gonna allow him to go inside the house, but if I move back inside the house, there you go. He left. I can move out again and wait for him to find me. And he found me. Look. Enough. Go. There he left. I still need to fix that, the sound that he makes. Anyway, that's the state of the game right now, currently. There are other areas of the map that I still need to fix. Ideas for new puzzles to come in, how the memory will trickle down slowly to the player. I need to transfer house, different homes, different places, and the black dog will always torment me. Sometimes he'd be scratching on walls, sometimes he'd be barking, or in the event that I've already solved whatever it is that I needed to solve here in this house and I need to transfer to another house, he's going to, yeah, okay. The snarling is triggered by the player being in his line of sight. So even if he sees me, he sees just a sliver of me, he will snarl and he will attempt to chase. Well, the chase mechanic is gonna be very, very important for when I transfer location. So let's say I finished this level here and I need to transfer to a different level, maybe this one over here, for a new memory to unlock. Then he's going to chase me if he sees me running away from that particular memory. There's only ever going to be just one physical black dog who's chasing me. So I need to expand this radius eventually. But for now, that's gonna be good. He's just gonna be there. Such a good boy. Yeah, this is the cat. This is the locker I chose to hide in. I'm not sure if I'm gonna implement it here in this particular place, but maybe I'll introduce the hiding mechanic later on, because I also need to decide on the level design for different houses. It's not gonna be just in a house. So maybe the player goes inside this next house, gets transported to a different place, different plane of existence, or I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But at least the main gist of it is finished and done for here. Anyway, that's all the update I have for this time. Hopefully, I still need to finish the sound design. I want to finish most of the things that I need to finish first before moving on to the next set of mechanics that I want. So I want to finish the atmosphere, the sound design, the visuals. I think this is okay for now. Alright, anyway, yeah, there we go. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.